The Sea to Sky Highway, I've actually been quoted as saying it is my favorite drive in the entire world because I've done it so much. I've got to see it in every single season at any time of day, and it's perfect. I mean, you start in Vancouver, one of the world's most beautiful cities. You go up to Whistler, one of the greatest mountains in the entire world, and you get to see the coastline. You know, it's so, so beautiful. You can stop at Mount Seymour, you can go fly fishing in Squamish. I mean, there's nothing better than that drive. Day one of our trip is at Mount Seymour, and it's the birthplace of like freestyle backcountry. You can't really see that well, but I guess we're just trying to see more.
When I think about Seymour, I think about side hits.
Side hits. Side hit utopia.
I'm not a very good liar.
Am I?
So I just set my goals higher. Do I have to state it one more time? I tell you I am doing fine, that's all for now.
Day one of the Sea to Sky adventure, wrapping up here at Mount Seymour. We had a beautiful day shredding.
And tomorrow, gentlemen, we are going fly fishing. I've never gone fly fishing, so you're gonna have to bear with me.
Craig McMorris, Valley Fishing Guides, here to take the boys out fishing on the Upper Squamish.
Fly fishing for me was a new experience. Me and Craig, both of us were a little weary of it.
I was never gonna go fly fishing in my life, honestly. I always thought to myself, I'd love to do that, that'd be really cool, but I never would. This trip was like, we're going fly fishing, and I actually did it. It really blew my expectations out of the water. The Whistler Backcountry is the home to some of snowboarding's greatest clips, but it's also the home to some of snowboarding's most fun runs. And the day that we had out there, yeah, it was snowing, yeah, you couldn't see that much, but we had so much fun, we had so many laughs, we had so many jokes, and I wouldn't trade that for anything.
Snowmobiling is not the easiest thing in the world by any means. Sometimes you get stuck, sometimes you can barely make it anywhere, but you gotta earn your turns out there.
Kind of hard to beat those moments when you're so in nature and you're just away from it all, but you're actually, you know, right there with your friends enjoying a really cool moment.
Whistler Backcountry, infamous. The best place to ride your snowboard in the world, in my opinion. I'm sure that these two guys agree. But tomorrow we're on resort, Whistler Blackcomb. Let's have some fun. Hopefully it clears up a little bit because, I mean, we've just been getting some gray days. But you know what? I'm not going to argue with gray days, Sean. I'm not going to argue.
No.
Do I sound like I'm arguing right now?
He's not arguing.
I'm not arguing. I'm gonna do a turtle roll, okay?
In the afternoon, we went and picked up the snow skates. For me, I've never snow skated before, so it was quite the treat.
The reason this trip was so fun, the reason I was so hyped up to go on this trip was because we're gonna do something that we don't usually do. Mikey, Sean, and I would never go to Seymour from start to finish. We'd never just go ride Whistler. Hey, we're gonna show up early, we're gonna end the day there. We would never go fly fishing. We'd never go out on a storm day, but we did all those things and explored our own backyard and saw it through different lenses, right? You're so used to the winter being a certain way, and when you stop, you change the direction of the way you're driving for just a little bit, that changes everything, and you have a lot of fun. You grow, and I'm happy for it.